why kumele singakhathali. Yazi maybe not like it maybe the next generation will care enough because the first generation bebenza izinto singazazi zenzele bomnyameni thina igeneration lelandelayo yazi exposure and then yaziphakamela. The generation yamanje yama 2000 futhi wena ayincengi even though na isashota la ishota khona. But maybe the generation ezayo maybe they will say no, maybe enough people have to die first before kumiwa ngenyawo. You understand? Maybe as long as safabo ma 970 maybe sibone ukuthi
iyashaya ukuthi abantwana bethu they witnessed us sishaywa senziwa lezo zinto umntwana agcine seyinguye uzithathela ubaba wakhe. Bengilalele uTerry Crews where he was saying that ngene ubaba ke waze wamshaya ngokwakhe. At even to date ngisazisola ukuthi baba ngamshaya athi ngamina ngaliftela ukuthi one day I'm going to protect my mom.
Ngiyabona.
And then umntana wakho isaqala impilo yakhe lifeini uqeda ukufunda wenzani useka nawo amandla okushaya avela kubulale umntana wakho ufunde iminyaka uhambe ejele.
Yabona ukuthi it goes back like yonke lento esikhulumayo mongayibheka ne it always circles back to one place. Sikhulume maybe for 2 hours but sikhulume into eyi-1 if ungayinaka kahle because khona manje we make example kaTerry. We going back to say this thing ayiqali umuntu makazokuphakamisela isandla. This thing iqala lo muntu asesemncane iqale endlini. It started home. We understand that. That's where charity begins. We understand that. So like gents we need to change ukwenza man. Like we need to change ukwenza. Thina those who can let us teach our children ukuthi uthando yini. Let us teach them ukuthi umuntu uphathwa kanjani. Let us teach a boy to be a gentleman. To the limit eyenkulumo yazi mfethu yazi mina the way ngithambe ngakhona ne especially at home the way ngithambe ngakhona like yazi like khona manje like nomuntu right and like I'm planning to marry her and I pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu anginikeze amandla ukuthi ngisho mina I'm not afraid ukuthi ngizubhlungu. The one thing engiphila ngayo ukuthi I love you as much as I can love you. If that love is not enough then mina I'll say at least I tried.
I always say that exhaust your resources so that when you leave or when you give up on whatever particular thing, awunabo if only I should have, I could have.
And if lezinto lezi zabo khama ziqiniso then mina I'm sure ukuthi ukhama ngeke adlalele kimi. Angeke uzodlula kwi-address yami because if I did everything I can. You understand? Then but mina that's me. Sengikhuluma mina manje. You understand? So like I believe ukuthi like I'd never yazi mfethu nama arguments wethu like are soft man, they are subtle. Yabo.
And kuthiwa ikhapule engaxabani ayikho normal.
No, you cannot.
But you know that.
You cannot.
You know that say.
The other day besine squilari nyana said so angazi ukuthi bengenzani but not to say ukuthi bengafuni but khona into bengicabanga. Wafika wangena emotweni wasivulela imoto wangena. Ngizwa le moto wakuthi papa ngithi athi akuruleki bulele lesedi lebanti. Ngithi athana wena wayekathi kusabulela uSnosipho.
Exactly.
Ohweditseng. I was like hangeta siphi nawe yabo from there like uyabona so already you can see ukuthi okay lento engiimplantayo iyangena intwana yami khona manje recently beyiloke nenkinga izincost imali eningi kakhulu yabo like iqhamikazi and what not so I had to spend imali eningi.
How old is he?
And then saya and then we found out ukuthi ama kidney what so it's a long story.
Una ngaki?
Una 12.
Sorry.
Yazi swakhe wathini? Uswakhe una 13. Uswakhe wathi baba dlala na 1 year.
Hey mara nawe. Kana abantu bangumhemise. Awumufa chance.
And usendele wadotsha bengifuna ukumphinda. Yabo. Athi like and it came from the heart. Athi oyithi baba na boy haka kula ba robatla kidney ke tlomo fa kidney.
No but
and from nowhere ke tlomo fa kidney. I was like yabo. So in a way ngiyajabula. Why? Whatever ngiyenza it means iyasebenza. Uzokhula, uzoba ingqondo yakhe. Maybe he will depart, maybe he won't. But mina I did what I can.
Yes.
And if singaba baningi abayenzayo leyo nto especially kwindawo esiphuma kuzo. Yazi linking esinazo lezi zikhona kundawo zama suburbs ne, but zire because of bayafundiswa.
Yes.
Uyangunderstand, umntwana khona makabuya esikoleni uhlala endlini uyafunda udlala ama TV games wenzani but endlini
And they follow like a decent dinner. Kuyahlala, how was your day?
Yeah.
And you go through each other's day. Hayi lento yethu thina ukuthi omunye ufika ngo9, omunye udlele ekamereni, omunye wenzani.
omunye ubuye esikoleni ulahlela incwadi uyahamba uyibanganini uyomixana nabantu abarong. Uyangunderstand. So I'm not saying either way sikhula ngakhona mfethu. We cannot say lokishini thina. Uyangunderstand, ilokishini ine mentality yayo, but wena in your own home do what you can. Uyangunderstand, endlini yakho wena do what you can, train your kids, especially fundisa umntwana wakho ukuthi akahloniphe the woman.
And ngicela siye ku parent abantwana ngo government because sinalento ethi sifundisa abantwana bethu ngo government. Isn't it?
Akahloniphe the woman. Yeah, this thing government it's I sebenzi. We can say ukuthi government wethu akanandaba nathi. That's why it's maybe the future generation something will happen, but mina ngiboni.
Yeah.
I don't see that happening anytime soon. Like the way thina abantu abamnyama si program we ingqondo zakho zethu ngakhona, we are programmed ukuthi wena namanje sli monga suka la complexini one day maybe washaya ilokhunjana yakho efana neyakakara bomroka wasibiza manje songasasibizeli kuyilokhunja kuyilokhunja kwi podcast osibizela kwi TV program. I'm telling you uthwele unenyoka. Yaba ngithi usebenzile. But ngiyakubona khona manje uyahereza, you are trying and you'll never know ukuthi uyophelela kuphi.
Exactly.
But fika lapho
Nenyo.
ngabona unhla phephethe nyengaka.
Yeah, I mean that's what we
athi kiyano haya mhlawumbe ngithi nalo baba uyaprovoke yazi ayina yasukelana shem.
And you know that he's the one who said I should write that. Does he have a snake? He gave me that caption. All the captions that I have with him, he said I should write that.
Yeah, why post on Facebook was? Why post on Facebook at 9 nyoka kanhlapho wahleka yabo. So as soon as uphumelela our the way si program we mindset ngakhona, we won't say sliu sebenzile, no, we will funa ama loopholes.
Or I slept my way to the top.
Yeah, une bless.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Chomi bar lethu fetsi yangibile nale mirire wide.
Why you taking